Hey everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It, where today we're taking this piece of S3S cedar and making one of those magic balancing wine bottle holders that you see all over the Etsy. But I got a good idea that's beyond just cutting an angle and drilling a hole that I think you can open up worlds of possibilities and customization. So stick around. And I apologize about the lighting. It's just sort of what I have to deal with at this time of day out here. But we're going to start out by ripping the board down so one side is 3 inches long or wide. Next, we're going to make us a mark at 8 5/8 of an inch. Go ahead and then we're going to move it up here so we can see it at the miter saw. And this piece is going to the fence. The side's going to the fence. So I wanted to make sure I marked it on the spot where I could read it. And I'm cutting at 45. So I'll go ahead and mark it over here too. See how it lines up. All right, that's set up to cut that 45. Now I've got the dual bevel saw, but I have found that I like to set the board and cut and adjust the deck here to the 45 instead of the bevel up here for these kind of cuts. It's just, it gets kind of weird going that way. But if the board is too tall, you have to do it that way. Make a test to make sure your saw is not going to get stuck on anything. Make the cut. So this side with the bevel, that's going to be your bottom. I've seen people cut a parallel bevel on the top. That's not really working with the design I'm going for at the end of the day. So we're not going to do that. We're going to leave it square. But so first we're going to find the middle of the board for 3 inches. Come over 1.5 inches. Make a mark. Then we're going to come down 2 inches. Make your cross mark. We're going to take 1.5 inch Forstner bent and drill that hole. So far, we have something that looks like this. And for our proof of concept, there you go. It works. Here's a practice run of those same dimensions. It works, and there is a pretty big fan blowing on me over here. And I thought while I was at it, let's see if a piece that was thinner would work. So this is the other half of when I ripped the cedar board. With the same 45 degrees and 2 inches down, 1.5 inch hole. It worked a minute ago. There we go. You do have to work it a little bit sometimes. That's all right. There you go. It's not going anywhere now. And this piece is the full width of that cedar board. Let's see how it does. There you go. So it appears that the width does not matter. What matters is this angle, which is 45 degrees, the hole being centered, and the center of that hole 2 inches down from the top. That seems to be the magic recipe here. All right. I'm not going to blow any smoke. The competition for this kind of thing, there's a lot. You go on Etsy and there's tons. I think they start about $25. You'll probably see them at your local market. So, but I have not seen any that does what I'm about to do, and hopefully these cuts I'm going to add to it it'll still work. That's why we already did the proof of concept to show that the basic design works. We're gonna bust out the router table and add a little bit of detail to it. This is a 1/4 inch core box bit, and I've set it to a 1/16 of an inch high. The fence is set back 1/2 inch. We're gonna take our piece and run it so the left side is against the fence. And we're going to run it again so this right side is down. We're cutting here and here. The last test is, will it still work with these notches in it? There you go. This is just one where the bottle is empty. See if that would work. I don't know why it wouldn't have, but there we go. So from this point, now it still needs some sanding and carrying on. Maybe could do some more passes here to make that look a little bit more like pages instead of a really, really thick cover. And now you have your personalization options. You could put the name of somebody's favorite book across there, down here, put a book title there, just have, you know, read between the lines or stuff like that. I've heard that somewhere. I don't know. Okay, well, that'll about wrap this one up. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. Have you tried to make one of these and use different dimensions? Please like, share, and subscribe, and I really appreciate all of you watching. Y'all have a good one.